Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create vector Christmas and New Year greeting design. Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a horizontal box shape and fill color R193, G39, B45. Go to object menu and create gradient mesh. Rows 6 and column 6 and appearance flat and highlight 100%. Select anchor point with the direct selection tool, shortcut A. Fill color R237, G28, B36. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. You can adjust with the direct selection tool. Now mesh background is ready. Select shape and go to object menu and lock and selection control 2. You can use line segment tool to draw a vertical line. Stroke weight 3 point. Select round cap and round join from stroke panel. Control F10. Group Control G. Select shapes and horizontal align center. Copy Control C and paste in front Control F. Group Control G. Select shape and rotate 180 degree. Copy Control C and paste in front Control F. Double click on rotate tool, shortcut R to rotate minus 60 degree. Copy Control C and paste in front Control F. Double click on rotate tool, shortcut R to rotate minus 60 degree. Click on artboard with star tool. Points 6. Place center of the shape. Select shape and use shape builder tool. Shift M to minus lines with Alt key. Delete. Stroke weight 7 point. Snowflake shape is ready. Go to object menu and path and outline stroke. Draw a circle shape with ellipse tool, shortcut L, and a graded fill color, left side gradient slider color, white and right side gradient slider color, 255, G169, B188. Make repeat shapes with different size and graded fill colors. Arrange shapes randomly on artboard. Drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Draw a rectangle outline shape. Stroke weight 10 point. Opacity 30%, opacity 70%, opacity 20%. Select shapes and go to effect menu and stylize and drop shadow. Mode multiply and opacity 75% and X offset 7 pixel and Y offset 7 pixel and blur 5 pixel. Finally, your Christmas and New Year greeting design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create greetings design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.